Hello guys, welcome to NXBTO new video, and in this video I'm gonna be talking about the price of Bitcoin. And as you can see, Bitcoin is still consolidating at the top of our channel, able to protect our 23,000 level and still struggling to retest our 29,000 level. But overall, it seems like the price is just consolidating, moving sideways and building momentum. One thing that is good to see is that, it's a good news for our ratio, Bitcoin ratio. We can see that the cross happened as predicted. The last video, we said that in 1 to 2 days, the cross just happened, and is another point, bullish point in this case. It is good to see that the 50 already crossed the 200-day moving average to the downside, and the ratio is still respecting both moving averages. That's a good sign. The only thing missing from this pattern when compared to the one from 2016 is that we need RSI to kind of touch our 18.62 level. And the only thing that is missing in this pattern is that we didn't have any touch on the 18.62 level yet, but this might be happening soon. And in order for this to happen, we already know that this ratio must start coming down, which means Bitcoin has to make a move upward and start retesting 29,000 level, 36,000 level, in order for this ratio to come down, to this cross to become more evident. You need a price move quickly. The price could be going sideways for a while, but this wouldn't be enough for the RSI to come to break this downward trend level, downward trend line, and come to retest our 18.62 level. But overall, everything is fine. We have the RSI got rejected from our 53.91 level, and it's still respecting this level. Nothing changed. The good news is that we already have a cross, official cross. Going back to the price, we can see that it looks like 27,000 is a middle point where the price is oscillating up and down, but it always come to this level. Basically this is where we found support here, bounce, came down, bounce, got rejected, went up again. Now it seems like we're gonna be sitting down here for a while until we actually make a move. Another thing that we would like to cover today is the Bitcoin dominance. It's the Bitcoin dominance. You can see that since the beginning of this event on the 10th of November, Bitcoin went on a massive move to the upside, conquering major support level, major resistance level, and made 100% move to the upside, which explains why the dominance on the same date, the 10th of November 2022, the Bitcoin dominance just raged and got rejected at approximately 47.79%. So that was good. That was good for Bitcoin, but this was bad for altcoins. That means the altcoins had to suffer a little bit compared against Bitcoin. But as you can see, we are forming kind of a diamond shape pattern, which is at the top. As this trend was upward trend, having a diamond formation at the top could be a sign of trend reversal, which means Bitcoin doesn't have necessarily to go down or to fall. It could be that Bitcoin is going to be sitting at this particular level around 37,000, 36,000 for a while, which if the dominance break this level, the measure pattern, the measure move is going to be, if you do the diamond formation, you take a measure move, which is the length from the top to the bottom. The breakout point is going to be exactly at this level, which already started today, and we can expect the dominance to lose power. The Bitcoin will lose some power, give some strength to altcoins, where we can see that it's going to come in trying to find support at this level, at this trend line. Support it has been forming this upward trend, now forming a bearish formation pattern, and gonna probably have a break to retest the top of this channel, which is gonna give altcoins more momentum in the market, as Bitcoin is likely to continue to consolidate or lose or retest some the top of our channel, for instance, around 25,000. This is going to give opportunity for altcoin to shine for a while. So we expect the Bitcoin dominance to lose. It's currently at 47.78. It's likely to come down to 45, which has been a level of resistance along this whole period since 2000, since the beginning of the bear market. We'll be going up and down in this green channel. So it seems like we might be repeating this pattern again, or at least the dominance could come here and find kind of support at this level. By the time this happens, we could have this 200-day moving average to give us some support, and maybe we're gonna continue this trend. But for the moment, we can see that altcoin is gonna have to shine a little bit against Bitcoin because of this bearish formation pattern, and because we are actually struggling with the top of this sideways channel. So going back to the price, yes, we can see that if Bitcoin is going to continue to go sideways or slowly rising, losing momentum, giving some momentum to altcoins, this is good because this could be a sign that the bull market is actually building momentum. And if we take in consideration that we already have a cross, which is 1 point for the bulls, or 1 point, another point that shows that, gives us confidence that the market could be building momentum to go upward, and the ratio respecting both moving average, RSI, find the resistance at this level without breaking, and all we want is for this moving average to kind of move sideways as well, and then lose momentum, come to retest this line, which is going to give, of course, the ratio more power to move downward, which means Bitcoin will be able to move sideways and retest 29,000 and probably find support at some point. So that's the news that we have and the update we have for today. So I don't see anything wrong with the few days that Bitcoin had to come back down, but it's good to see that it's respecting this level. Pretty normal, going up, finding support, up, finding support, losing for a moment, going up again. Is keeping this level as consolidation level, which is good to see. Yeah, basically that's good. One thing that we would like to show as well is our US dollar index with in one of our video we mentioned that we need to respect, we must respect this 105 level on the Dixie, the US dollar index. We need to respect this level, and it looks like we are able to hold at the top of this line, on top of this indicators line, the blue line. We can see the silver. After the indicator move from red to silver, we can see this kind of forming like a round shape, which could be an indication that it's about to come back down again and turn red. And when this happens, it's actually it's a sign that move from silver to red will give Bitcoin more momentum to the upside, or at least to build more momentum or consolidate more. Of course, we don't want to engage with the 5 or the top of this downward trend line. I believe if we look back, if we engage with this level, that could be problematic, because in previous occasion he actually worked as a sign of he was at the top of the bull market. It was the first indication when when the DXY engaged with this blue line, was at the end of the bull market. And the second time he actually engaged with the line with the top of this downward channel was actually exactly the top of this the bull market. So I don't think engaging with top of this downward trend line is a good thing, which I believe it would be great to see DXY getting rejected from the top of this blue line and moving from silver to red again, and of course losing the under 100 level. Losing the under level or testing the under level again would be better in this case for the price. Like when we started the 2020 bull market. So we stayed at this level for a while, moving from green to gray to red, and when this happened, the price moved kind of sideways, and as we progressed down, losing support at this level, Bitcoin was able actually to start this major acceleration on the bull market. We was the final phase of the bull market, which was acceleration. That's it. That's it for today, guys. We want to respect this level at 104, 103. We want to be below this level. We want this to turn red. We want to engage and probably break this under level to give less strength to the US dollar index, which will prompt Bitcoin to actually stop going sideways and engage with 29,000 level and probably find the support at the top of this major resistance level at the moment. That's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I see you on the next video with more updates. Thank you very much.